So far, this is not the start that ZUS Coffee wants.
Nope. And look at that. Butas na naman yung likod. Gagate. Close to the net we go. Well done. Touch flash by Belen. So the setters, they know what to do with their hands when that presents itself. Oh!
Just like that too, coming from Iris Dolenada.
But you know this, masarap gawin yung 100 set actually. Di ba? Masarap gawin yan eh. Of course, on a per need basis, but it's fun to do. Oh, look at this. Orvina keeping it alive, but their defense is punctured. And that's off the block, but out of reach. Ceballos, one of the veterans. Off the block. Montañedo. Adjustment in the air. Ceballos watching her work, but it was returned. Gonzaga, Orvina, and Javelin gets something to bite along the sideline. Chini Arroyo all set to serve. Adorador. Gonzaga will try again. And that's her master hand. Master hand.
That moves.
She's been doing that for slamming it against the block. Two-point lead by ZUS. And excellent angle by Belen.
Yep. Blockers were closing down.
Jimenez on her serve. Eroa. Jovelin. Yes! With the military teams as well. Oh. That was red hot and she wants it. You're looking for a spark plug? I can do that.
Strongest start so far for ZUS Coffee in this match.
Okay, earlier today we had the next leg winning against Farm Fresh in 5 sets. The last set was the juicy one, with the win being fashioned out with a 15-12 final 5th set. They kept that alive. Better energy now by ZUS.
Right.
Oh, however, Adorador with a cross hit. Gaston, stutter step. She was too far off. Kaya linis ng hulog eh. 4-point lead for Capital 1. Sorry, for ZUS, my mistake. Umilag si Jobs. Well done. ZUS is percolating there. A couple of silver and 2 bronze finishes. Different tournaments. Seeds have been planted, no question about it, for the future. In the meantime, back to the present. Did she get it? She got it.
Good dig from Eroa.
Yes, sir. Adorador, Gonzaga. Recoiled. Montañedo resets. Another one of those long exchanges. But it's a positional mistake. 15-8 because the serve belongs to Thea Gagate. Lalim. Kinuha pa rin. Hindi maipasa ng maayos ng ZUS. Madrigal serve. Nabutasan sila.
That donut hole has been an issue.
Volleyball talaga, no? Ready ka dapat anytime.
Yep. Can't be too cold.
Oo. Can't think na hindi ka maglalaro.
Yep.
Belen. Robles. Dakis. Push back. Gonzaga. Oh, corner hit. Looks like they're poised to take this third set. Belen, however, has other ideas. Robles stretches for it. Dakis. Belen.
Oh, wow.
Eros says, gotcha. Gonzaga. Alam mo, nakakalimutan ng depensa. Kaliwete si Jovelin eh. Belen. Got that line. That's out of reach.
Services Rizan Ocales.
Peroa. Gonzaga.
Wow.
9 points. Chisayat. Second serve in a row. Peroa. Side with the kick. Nice Genesis flying. Belen working the middle.
Hello.
So lumalabas parang si Belen na lang natira, no?
Yep.
Tsaka si Gaston.
All new faces.
Santiago keeps it in play. Side. Santiago. Block!
That's a ball point for ZUS.
Well, the fans got to see Gonzaga and Dakis together again. It's been a while. Set point. And we go into 4.
Set. Some of the veterans stepping up. Gonzaga and Ceballos. But Arroyo